Welcome to the FlameTask instructional video on deficiencies. What are deficiencies? Deficiencies are a free-form note of something that is wrong with the equipment that you don't plan on fixing on the spot. You could also log a deficiency even if you're going to fix it immediately if you want to log something that was repaired with the equipment that requires free-form text. The benefit of an open deficiency is that is a record of what is wrong with the equipment every time the barcode is scanned, until the deficiency is closed. Let's try this on the mobile. Scan the barcode. It is not necessary to go to the Deficiencies tab, but it is recommended to see if it was already added in the past. To add a deficiency, tap Options. Then tap on Open Deficiency. In the description, type in free-form text of the deficiency. An example might be, broken gauge. Tap on Add. The open deficiency shows up in the list. Notice that there is a red one in the upper right-hand corner of the Deficiency tab. Not only can you tell that there is a deficiency due to the red circle, but the one means there is one open deficiency for this equipment. This deficiency will show up on the inspection report. To close the deficiency, after scanning the barcode, go to the Deficiency tab. Tap on the deficiency. Tap on the closed date field. Select the date it was closed. Click Done. Click Save. The screen shows no open deficiencies. The deficiencies that are closed are not gone, but they just don't display on the mobile screen. They do, however, still show on the web system screen, and on the inspection reports. We'll flip over now to show how this works from the web system. On the web system, select the site. Then select the equipment. In the middle pane, click on the Deficiencies tab. See the broken gauge deficiency we added from the mobile. Also see on the right-hand pane the deficiency was added to history. To add an open deficiency, click the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner of the middle pane. Type in a description like, blocked nozzle. Click Add. Notice that unlike the mobile system, it shows both the closed deficiencies and the open deficiencies. To close the open deficiency, click on blocked nozzle. Click on Close Date. Select the date. Click Done. It is showing both deficiencies as closed now. Notice on the right-hand pane, it shows a history record for when the deficiency was opened, and one more for when it was closed. This concludes the FlameTask instructional video on deficiencies.